Alright, July 13th, 2020. We woke up and the animals apparently cornered something behind the subwoofer. Get it, Base. Get it. Miso, go help. I have no idea what it is. Oh, it's a mouse.
I told you it was a mouse.
It's definitely a mouse. Ugh. That poor mouse. I kind of feel bad for it. Oh, there it is. Get it, Miso.
Bezos was stalking it all morning.
Yep. Get it, Besa. Good girls. Two of the
Marlon, you're not gonna want to see this.
two of the deadliest hunters on planet Earth. Miso, don't give up. What do you do, you useless cat? Ah! Oh, Jesus Christ.
Besa, it's in the pantry.
Base, come here, Base. Base, go get
It's in the
it.
pantry.
Get it, Base. Oh my.
Right under your legs.
Was it a feminine scream?
Yes.
Get it, girls. Come on, get it.
It's on the other side. It went in on the other side by the vacuum cleaner.
Oh, I don't think so. Oh, Jesus Christ. Come on, girls, get it. God, you two are just nearly worthless. Get it. Look at them. Just Tweedledum and Tweedledummer over there. They're outsmarted by a mouse. Come on, girls, get it.
Sure, it ran into the left.
You sure?
Yeah.
Well, why don't they see it?
I don't know.
It's
Because
gonna-
that's where the mouse went last time, I think.
You're sure it's to the left over here?
I thought I saw it scurrying to the left.
I don't know. They seem pretty intent that it's right over there.
Well, at least I have something to do now today.
Marley, what do you think? Are they going to get it? Who's going to win? Oh.
We're not going to camp.
Wait, you're just sitting here and watch the dog and a cat try to kill a mouse?
Get it. Get it, Base. Good girl.
Good girl, Macy. Good girl.
What a team. Look at those two. Two severely overweight house pets.
Get it.
Oh, good girl, Base. Go get it.
Macy.
Oh, oh. Ah. Ah.
I'm gonna put my puppy down so when I scream again.
Oh, shit, there it is.
Oh, she got it!
Who got it?
Mesa!
Good girl.
Oh god, no, I know, I gotta clean it up. Don't let her take it into the bedroom and eat it.
Well, I'm not in mouse duty. That is Cammy job right there.
No
Good.
way.
Oh, she's got it. Cammy, do something.
I can't do anything about
Cammy,
this.
do something.
No.
Cammy, you're not going to work.